अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
कैसी हैं आप?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, थैंक यू।
फर्स्ट टाइम कुवैत आई हैं?
पहली दफ़ा एंड अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस।
वेलकम टू कुवैत।
थैंक यू।
मैडम अपनी कंपनी के बारे में बताइए और क्या सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रही हैं?
Abacus जो है, we have mashallah an almost 40-year history, and the focus is international professional services firms, specifically technology, outsourcing and consulting which enable digital transformation. And we partner with global leaders like Google Cloud, SAP, Atlassian, Oracle NetSuite, etc. But हमारा the other aspect is कि जो human capital transformation है, तो our relationship with Mercer. Our legacy has been PwC, but now going forward, it's about making sure कि जो next generation AI digitized environment है, ecosystem है, we're serving across 30 countries, across 4 continents, alhamdulillah. And the idea is कि how do you have very collaborative platforms which not only talk to each other, but they're also cross-border. So together we create the future of business.
ओके मैडम, कुवैत इज़ स्मॉल कंट्री। अब गल्फ में अगर आप देखें तो कुवैत एक स्मॉल कंट्री। हाउ यू एडजस्ट टेक कंपनीज इन कुवैत, especially your company? You already work in other Gulf countries?
Ji, we already have presence in the Middle East, GCC states, and African states for the last 10-15 years. We have a footprint technology ke perspective se, ERP solutions, etc. But also digital, so working with the banks in the UAE, in Saudi Arabia as well, working with the telecom companies, etc. But Kuwait में भी हमारा presence है। हम केट के साथ भी काम कर रहे हैं, जो आपकी सेंट्रल एजेंसी है, वो IT है, वहाँ digitization है। And I feel there's a great opportunity because जो 2035 की vision है आपके top leadership की, आपके अमीर की, as endorsed by the Prime Minister Office of Kuwait.
Right.
They are already recognizing that this is essential to ensure relevance, to ensure sustainability, also economic activity. तो ये transformation already शुरू हो चुकी है और हम already यहाँ हैं 1-2 सालों से where we're working with some of the partners in Kuwait who are enabling us to develop future forward roadmaps.
Inshallah. What you gonna say about this conference? कैसा इसको हमारी एम्बेसी ने, हमारी कम्युनिटी ने इसको ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया?
एक तो I appreciate the government of Kuwait to give this support and extend this partnership hand. Also appreciate the embassy and His Excellency the Ambassador and his team who have welcomed us so warmly. The hospitality, ये जो hall है ज़बरदस्त, ये ship है जो, हाँ जी, Guinness Book of World Records में amazing experience. But of course PSAB पाशा जिन्होंने collaborate किया है, ये opportunity दी है, ये 18 जो companies आई हैं पाकिस्तान से, top companies tech world में, और ये stakeholders, policy makers, decision makers in Kuwait बात कर रहे हैं. So I feel this is a very good conversation because it's about not only working independently, it's about how can we build technology and an AI world together. So Kuwait has great strength in terms of the capital that they have, उनका जो platform है, उनका जो vision है to really digitize and the infrastructure they have. Pakistan का strength है the talent that we have, yes. Technology talent, but also the entrepreneurial skill. तो together ये जो experience है, इसको अगर आप merge करते हैं तो they can really emerge as regional powerhouses.
That's good. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Best of luck, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity.
See, it's an amazing start to connect the nations together. We've been waiting for that since long time. Pakistanis are well known in tech and they are big, but they need the chance. As you can see now, in the other GCC countries like KSA, UAE, Qatar, Oman, we are doing very good projects. Very high number of resources are engaged in the projects there, and this is what we want to transform to Kuwait. We showed them our references that we have in the region. We have some references that across the globe it's new in tech. So that's what we wanted to deliver the message to them. Support us to support you with these projects and to engage with you and show you our expertise.
MashaAllah. Sir, for my Arabic viewers, can you tell us about the system? Can you say in Arabic, what is the system? What system are giving facilities or anything?
Systems واحدة من أكبر الاي تي كومبانيز بباكستان وبالعالم، من شركات كبيرة بالعالم. نحن بنقدم الخدمات الاي تي لكل الجهات الحكومية، للتلكو، بانكينج، حتى برايفت سيكتور، من خلال عدة مشاريع بننظمها بطريقة fixed scope projects, outsourcing, managed services contracts across the region.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. That's nice.